YouTube family, what's good? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you read by the title, it is a bit different. It isn't anything to do with hair, it's not barber related. Today I am doing a sneaker review. I went to go and fetch my sneaker a bit earlier. Today I will be doing a review on the Chuck Taylor, the Converse Chuck Taylor, the organic greens. I'm not too much of a fan of the high top, so I really like the low cut Chuck Taylors. So let's go ahead and let's jump straight into today's review. So yeah, today we are doing the review on the 1970s Chuck Taylors. You know, there is the 1980s and the 1970s, but I'm gonna go a bit into detail about the difference between the two. So I personally prefer the 1970 Chuck Taylor because first things first, off the bat, I'm sure you guys can see the sole is much thicker than usual than you would usually find on your regular old-style Chuck Taylor. So the sole is much thicker, the inner sole is thicker as well, so the cushioning provides much more comfort, especially for barbers. You know, we always try and look for a very comfortable shoe. Like me myself, I'm a Vans guy. I've always been a Vans fan. And only now recent that I've been finding the Converse 1970s, or let me rather say the 70s edition. I've actually been, this will basically be my second pair of the 1970s edition. Definitely not my last. There's a few that I have my eye on as well, but straight off the bat, I love the canvas on it. I love the color, the organic green color. The only thing that kind of put me off this sneaker when I bought it was the sole and the shoelaces. They aren't really white. It's a bit of an off cut. It's a bit of an off. You could off white, like a creamy type of white, but you can definitely rock it. I think it's different. I like the fact that it's different.
I'm different. Yeah, I'm different.
Yeah, all around I feel like the 1970s edition is way better than the 1980s. I prefer the thicker sole, I prefer the cushioning, the canvas is also solid, but yeah, for sure, overall, I personally would go for the 1970s, the 70s Converse or Chuck Taylor edition. Way more comfort. I feel like it's way more of a stylish look. You know, you can definitely wear this with shorts, wear it with cargo pants, jeans. So it's a very versatile sneaker. Affordable basketball sneakers, or if you are a basketball player, let me rather say. In case you didn't know, Converse, these originally were basketball sneakers at first, and I feel like this over the 80s edition would give you a way better performance, way better comfort. So yeah, just personally, I'm really digging the 70s edition. And yeah, it's all around a very good looking shoe. Definitely I recommend it to anyone that's going for a nice affordable, you know, if you're looking for something that's nice and affordable, you know, that you can rock with different, you can rock with all types of outfits, because I know you could even wear this with the formal outfit, you can wear it with the casual, you can wear it with the semi-formal. That's what I really love about Vans and Converse. Like, you can be very versatile when you are dressing it up. So yeah guys, this is the Converse 1970s, or let me rather say the Converse 70s edition organic green. I definitely seen, when I saw this shoe I fell in love immediately, and I definitely had to take it. So let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Definitely leave a like and interact with me. Let me know how you feel about the content. Let me know how you felt about today's review. Let me know if you're the type of person that would actually wear the Converse if you would wear the Converse 70s edition, or if you prefer the 80s edition. Yeah, so just interact with me, let me know, and all around, just let me know all around about the sneaker, how you feel about the sneaker, your all around thoughts. So yeah guys, this was the organic green 70s edition Chuck Taylors. This is the low cut, obviously, not too much of a fan of the high tops. So in the comment section, just let me know how you feel about today's sneaker. And yeah, next week we will be back with the tutorials. That's your boy Enrico the Barber. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace.